News is coming in. Home Minister Rajnath Singh is presiding over a meeting on Masarrat Alam's release. Senior officials, including top bureaucrats of the Jammu and Kashmir government, along with the Home Secretary, are reportedly briefing the Home Minister. The meeting comes after revelations that the Kashmiri separatist Masarrat Alam's release from jail was initiated when Jammu and Kashmir was under President's rule. Let's get a word from our correspondent Kamaljeet Sandhu, who's with us on the phone line. Kamaljeet, a crucial meeting there underway. We're being told that officials from the state government are also present.
Simi, actually, if I can correct that particular news, the Joint Secretary of Jammu Kashmir Division, which falls within the Ministry of Home Affairs, as well as the Home Secretary, are the ones who are actually briefing the Home Minister. And remember, this has become a very controversial point, and it's an Achilles heel as far as this government is concerned. And that is why we've seen whether there is about debating and a furor within the House and also outside it. Rajnath Singh earlier in the day making it very clear that the national security will not be compromised whichever way the government really goes. But definitely at this point of time, he wants to understand as to how this particular lapse really did happen, since this is coming to light now that during the governor's rule, this particular document really came out. And the fact remains that this is a point where, as a matter of procedural lapse, he was released. So this becomes a technical point. And even though Mufti Saeed government at that point of time did not say anything regarding Masarrat Alam's release, this has become a point of concern as to how in future such incidents and such releases can be avoided. Yes, they would be talking, but at this point of time, many are also questioning as to why, being an alliance partner of the PDP, are the leaders not talking? And remember, Rajnath Singh clearly coming out and saying he's not spoken to Mufti on the phone or otherwise. And also coming to the point that in terms of coordination, is there a lack of coordination between PDP and BJP? So it's not just about the central government role and the state government, it's also about the coordination between PDP and BJP. But yes, as a matter of procedure, he's obviously understanding in depth the entire case. He will be leaving for Japan in a day or so. He has to particularly clarify this particular case since this has become a controversial issue.